Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna show you how to change MUI side images in Windows 10 using 7 source theme patcher or 7TSP 2019 edition. If you don't know, we're gonna change these images in the control panel. So these images are located, so let's say I'm gonna open the mouse and here we don't see anything, and we're gonna add these custom images. These images are from the HUD Evolution MUI side images for Windows 10 version 1903-2004 and 2004. So the download link will be here. Scroll down. This is completely packed for Windows 10, and we're gonna download only HUD Evolution MUI side images for Windows 10 version 1903-1909 and 2004 one more time, and let's start to change it. Okay, when you download the 7TSP, the link will be also in the description below. When you download it, you can run it as administrator. So right click, run as administrator, click yes here. Then we're gonna add a custom pack, and then we're gonna select these HUD Evolution MUI side images. I'm gonna click open. Here we have a preview how it's gonna look like. Okay, now I'm gonna click on start patching. Okay, before I click start patching, I have already custom icon pack. I already have made tutorial how to use 7TSP to install custom icon pack. So even with this icon pack, we can install another custom pack for the MUI side images. So I'm gonna click start patching. Click yes. Okay, now I will be back when the patching is done. Okay, now it says that I need to reboot Windows, and I'm gonna do that, so I will be back after restarting. Okay, I am back, and you should get this message. The system has been patched, and I will click OK. Now if I go to the control panel and if I open the mouse section, and you should get these images like me. For me, they look very amazing and very stunning, and it's gonna fit to the custom icon pack. Also here in the keyboard we have this image, and in the file explorer option we get these 3 images. Also in the taskbar and navigation, we don't get anything because this is a Windows 10. These MUI images are made for Windows 7, and Windows 7 has more options with panel. Windows 10 doesn't have it, so some images are missing, but that's fine. We have what is left. Okay, that's it. How to install MUI side images. Now if you want to restore them, just run 7TSP again, and from here go to the restore, and then choose the first option, restore modify system files to before 7TSP was used. Click OK, and it will restore to the Windows default images. I'm not gonna do that, I'm gonna keep them. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.